All right, welcome back. Project number 8. I did it again. I started recording and then I hit my keyboard shortcut and stopped the recording. So for project number 8, we're going to do what we did with project number 6, which was I'm going to kind of do it backwards again and walk you through what I did and show you how to get the files installed and then what I labeled it. And I want you to do more of a hands-on experience for this one, where you're going to take control of this project and kind of replicate what I have here. Okay, so what I did was I went to Firefox and we went to LearnTechProjectFiles.com, and then I went to AfterEffects 2022 projects. I clicked on project number 8, downloaded the file, which you can see I have right here. I opened it up, I brought it over to Documents, Projects, and then we went to, I created this folder, 08 project number 8 dash Adobe Creative Cloud 2022 Ultimate Guide, and then I opened up the files here and uncompressed them as well and showed you each one of these files. Okay. And then what we did is we created the file here, okay, which is right here, which I want you to make the file as well. And then I laid these out. So in the previous 2 other projects, really the last 6 projects, we had one graphic over here, one in the middle. So that was project 1, 2, and 3, or 3, 4, 5, right? Then in 6, we had here, and 7 we had here, and then 8 we have here, okay? Now, there's a point to all this. I want you to take these different layouts and create effects with them in different areas, okay? The idea behind this whole series of projects is to learn as much as you can about creating compositions, okay? Compositing effects or graphics with video, okay? Improving a video that's already good and making it even better, okay? Because again, this promo video that you're working with is actually what I'm using, and I spent a lot of time on it. And so I want to give you good quality projects to work on. So with that in mind, let's talk about how I laid this out, okay? So what I did is every 10 seconds, not every 10 seconds, at the 10-second mark, so 10 seconds, 0 frames, okay? This is where I got into trouble. And this is why it stopped recording, because I typed the keyboard shortcut. So I'm not going to be doing this anymore. I'm going to scrub left and right. But at 10 seconds, I laid the introduction graphic. Then at 15 seconds, which I'm going to scrub to, I'm going to start doing that instead of typing. I added the benefits graphic, which you can see right here. Okay, and you can see I'm off, which I want you to fix that as well. Okay, then when I went to 20 seconds, I added what you will learn. Okay, then at 25 seconds, we did students, and at 30 seconds, we added requirements. And I made this one 15 seconds. Okay, then I went down to 1 minute and 20 seconds and gave this a duration of about 15 seconds. Which actually I'm going to trim that up right now. There we go. So actually it's 14 seconds. But what happened was I got carried away. I typed in my keyboard shortcut and then I basically scrubbed or erased the recording that I had. So I want you to do this, follow along with what I have here, and build something similar, and then share it in the assignment. Okay? So from here on out in the next projects that we're going to be doing, I'm going to be walking you through step by step, and I'm not going to be using this anymore to stop my recording all the time, because it's extremely annoying that I have to do this, but in order for you to be successful, we need to keep moving forward. So I'm going to save this, and then what I'm going to do is I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.